Ever wonder what treasures might be hiding just beneath your feet? From beachcombing for lost jewelry to serious gold hunting in the great outdoors, the right metal detector can turn an ordinary day into an exciting adventure. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned treasure hunter, having the best gear makes all the difference. In this video, we'll walk you through the best metal detectors you can get right now, covering everything from budget-friendly models to high-performance devices packed with pro features. And don't forget, we've dropped exclusive links in the description so you can grab the latest discounts on each product we feature. Let's begin with number 5, the Fisher F75, best for gold hunting. Gold hunting isn't just about luck, it's about having the right tools for the job, and when it comes to precision, power, and adaptability in the field, the Fisher F75 stands tall as one of the top choices for serious gold prospectors. What really sets this detector apart is its double D waterproof search coil. It's finely tuned to pick up even the tiniest gold flakes in harsh, mineral-rich ground. Where many detectors struggle or become erratic, the F75 remains stable and reliable, giving you a true edge in difficult conditions. A major highlight is the fast grab ground balance feature. Activated with a simple trigger pull, it automatically adjusts to varying soil types, eliminating frustrating manual tweaks. This means fewer false signals and more time zeroing in on actual targets, especially valuable when you're scanning remote or unfamiliar terrain. Another unique tool built into the F75 is the magnetic mineralization bar graph. It visually maps the soil's mineral content, helping you choose the most promising areas to search. In gold fields where conditions can vary dramatically, this feature is a major time saver. The F75's large LCD screen further boosts usability, offering a numerical target ID on a 0 to 99 scale. This makes it easy to tell the difference between real gold and unwanted trash like foil or rusty nails. In busy areas where every dig counts, that level of discrimination can make or break your success. Add in double filter discrimination technology, and the F75 gets even better at ignoring clutter and trash-laden zones. This smart filtering allows you to focus on what matters, valuable signals, not false alarms. Comfort also plays a big role in extended hunting sessions. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, the F75 is light and ergonomic, making it ideal for covering wide-open fields, climbing hills, or scanning rocky areas without getting fatigued. You get high-end performance without the usual bulk. Usability features round out the package. Variable audio pitch pinpointing speeds up recovery time, while a backlit screen keeps your search on track even in low-light conditions. Built tough and weather-resistant, the F75 is ready to go wherever the gold takes you, rain or shine. In short, the Fisher F75 combines sharp detection capabilities, ease of use, and rugged comfort, making it a top-tier detector for anyone serious about gold prospecting. A true prospector's companion. Next, number 4, the Nokta Simplex Ultra, amazing value for money. Finding a metal detector that balances affordability with premium performance can be tough, but the Nokta Simplex Ultra breaks that mold. It offers an impressive suite of features that rival many high-end models, all while keeping the price point comfortably low. For budget-conscious treasure hunters, this one is a true standout. Let's start with waterproofing. While most detectors in this range offer minimal water resistance, the Simplex Ultra is fully submersible up to 16 feet. Whether you're searching along beach shores, riverbanks, or shallow lake beds, this detector performs reliably, rain or shine, wet or dry. The carbon fiber shaft adds strength without the weight. It's both durable and lightweight, making it perfect for extended use. Plus, it retracts to just 25 inches, which is ideal for travelers or anyone needing compact storage. Portability without compromise. One of the biggest money-saving features is its built-in rechargeable battery. Instead of constantly replacing AA batteries, you can simply recharge the device using a USB connection. It's a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution that supports hours of continuous use, perfect for long detecting sessions. On the tech side, the high-resolution display gives the interface a modern feel. Target information is presented clearly, and adjustments can be made quickly with minimal fuss. That means less time navigating menus and more time digging up finds. The included 11-inch search coil enhances detection range and accuracy. Even in mineral-rich soil, the Simplex Ultra holds its own, offering stable readings and dependable depth. Add in the ability to receive online firmware updates, and you've got a detector that evolves with time, always staying current. Despite its advanced features, the device weighs just 2.6 pounds, making it incredibly comfortable to carry during long hunts. Enhanced backlighting and underwater lighting further expand its versatility, whether you're exploring in bright daylight or murky water. In short, the Nokta Simplex Ultra delivers top-tier performance at a fraction of the price. This detector redefines value in the world of treasure hunting. For what it offers, it's practically unbeatable. Number 3. Minelab Xter Pro. Kicking off our list is the Minelab Xter Pro, a metal detector that earns serious points for versatility and adaptability, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned treasure hunters alike. What sets this unit apart is its Pro Switch technology, allowing users to effortlessly switch between multiple frequencies. That means whether you're scanning mineral-rich soil, exploring a crowded urban park, or navigating salt-heavy beach sand, the Xter Pro adapts to the environment with impressive precision. Unlike standard detectors with fixed frequencies, this feature gives you a real edge in uncovering hidden finds others might miss. Waterproofing is another area where the Xter Pro shines. With submersible capability up to 16 feet, it easily outperforms many competitors limited to shallow splashes. This opens up exciting opportunities for underwater exploration. Think lost rings, coins, and forgotten jewelry, whether in rivers, lakes, or by the shore. Its detection modes are designed to suit various terrains and hunting styles. Use park mode to cut through modern trash while still detecting valuables. Field mode is perfect for relics and historic artifacts, offering better target separation, and beach mode expertly handles the challenges of wet sand and saltwater conditions where many detectors struggle. User-friendly extras also deserve a mention. You get a built-in flashlight, backlit controls, and vibration feedback, making it easier to continue your search after sunset or in low-light environments. These thoughtful additions highlight how this detector is built for real-world conditions, not just ideal scenarios. In terms of audio performance, the Xter Pro delivers clear, responsive tones that help you distinguish between junk and genuine targets. Pinpoint accuracy makes it easier to zero in on depth, while wireless headphone compatibility offers a clutter-free and immersive experience. Portability and comfort are major selling points too. Weighing just 2.9 pounds, it's light enough for all-day hunts without fatigue. And thanks to its collapsible shaft, it folds down to only 25 inches. Compact enough to stash in a backpack. That's a big win if you're hiking to remote spots or traveling with your gear. In short, the Minelab Xter Pro combines smart technology, rugged design, and all-day comfort, making it one of the most flexible and capable detectors in its price range. A solid pick for anyone serious about their next treasure hunt. Next, number 2, the Garrett AT Pro. If you're serious about metal detecting at the beach, you need a detector that's built to handle more than just sand. It must withstand water, salt, and constantly shifting terrain. Enter the Garrett AT Pro, a top-tier detector engineered for coastal environments and one of the best companions for any beach treasure hunter. Unlike some models that only offer splash resistance, the AT Pro is fully waterproof up to 10 feet. Whether you're combing wet sand, walking through tide pools, or wading in shallow surf, this detector delivers reliable, uninterrupted performance. No skipping, no false alarms, just steady results. Saltwater and highly mineralized sands can wreak havoc on standard detectors, often leading to frustrating false signals. But the AT Pro comes prepared with both manual and automatic ground balance controls. Its innovative ground balance window is designed to eliminate interference caused by salty or mineral-rich conditions. Where other detectors struggle or become unstable, the AT Pro remains accurate and consistent, even in the trickiest coastal spots. Dealing with beach clutter is also easier thanks to its high-resolution iron discrimination. With 40 adjustable levels, you can precisely control which targets to dig and which ones to ignore. Pair that with iron audio, and you'll hear distinct alerts when ferrous metals like bottle caps or nails are detected, saving you time and effort by helping avoid unnecessary digs. One of the standout features is the Pro Mode audio, which offers more detailed sound cues than basic beeps. It gives you valuable feedback on the size, shape, and depth of your target. Add in the included MS2 headphones, and you'll catch every tone, even in noisy beach settings. Despite its rugged capabilities, the Garrett AT Pro remains lightweight at under 3 pounds. This balance of durability and comfort allows treasure hunters to explore large areas for hours without fatigue. Its fast recovery speed ensures you don't miss targets in trash-filled zones, and the build quality is ready for whatever the shore throws your way. In short, The Garrett AT Pro combines waterproof performance, smart discrimination tools, and pro-level audio feedback in one reliable package. It's a must-have for anyone looking to uncover hidden treasures along the coast. We highly recommend it. Finally, at number 1, the Minelab Equinox 900 Best Overall. We've reached the top of the list, and for good reason. The Minelab Equinox 900 takes the crown as the best overall metal detector, thanks to its cutting-edge technology, rugged design, and unmatched versatility. If you're serious about metal detecting, this is the model to beat. At the heart of the Equinox 900 is multi-IQ technology, a standout feature that truly sets it apart. Unlike traditional detectors that scan using one frequency at a time, this machine operates on 5 frequencies simultaneously. That means enhanced accuracy across a variety of targets, whether you're after gold, silver, or iron, without having to stop and switch settings manually. Transitioning between terrains like wet sand, rocky fields, or mineralized ground is smooth and seamless. Its waterproof capabilities are just as impressive. Submersible up to 16 feet, the Equinox 900 isn't just splash-proof, it's made for real underwater exploration. Whether you're wading through shallow streams or diving deeper into lakes and coastal waters, it delivers performance you can trust. What really elevates this detector is its high-precision target ID system. With a massive 119 levels of identification, users get highly detailed feedback on what's beneath the surface. This helps dramatically reduce wasted effort, digging up bottle caps or junk, offering confidence with each signal. In comparison, most competitors offer far less distinction between targets. Comfort and portability are also priorities with this model. Weighing just 2.8 pounds and built with a collapsible carbon fiber shaft, it's perfect for long detecting sessions with minimal fatigue. And when you're ready to pack up, it folds down to a compact 24 inches, making it easy to carry or store on the go. Sound performance is top-notch too. Advanced audio tones allow users to hear subtle variations that indicate target size and depth. Paired with low-latency wireless headphones included in the box, it offers an immersive experience without lag or cable clutter. Need to hunt in low-light conditions? No problem. The Equinox 900 includes a built-in flashlight, backlit LCD screen, and control panel illumination, allowing you to search day or night without missing a beat. In every category, technology, accuracy, build quality, and user comfort, the Minelab Equinox 900 delivers. It's the ultimate choice for hobbyists and professionals alike who want a metal detector that does it all. Simply put, this is the one to get. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check our links. They'll hook you up with the best deals on every product we mention. And don't forget to write in the comments what is your favorite one.